Short quick video from Kiefer Motorworks. So, initial motor type in here is 24. Recycle the controller. Recycle this thing here. Go back to motor tuning, and so it's at 24. So at 24, this is what the motor does. So you get that whiny sound. It almost sounds like metal to metal. Electronic noise. So now I'm going to change this motor type to 50. Thinking maybe, okay, that cycled itself off, so I got to cycle the controller again. So I made a parameter change. So I'm assuming that the motor type is the type of motor, like for HPEVS, they have AC-50, AC-51, AC-35, AC-34, AC-20, and a bunch of other ones. So I would think that they would name their tune according to the motor. So like 50 would be the AC-50. So when I changed this to AC-50, this is what I get now with the motor. A lot more torque. And no more whine. So that's a good thing. So now let's see if I change it to 75. So I can't go higher than 77. So 75. So they do make they used to make an AC-75. So let's see what this does. So I'll definitely do this to not put it on the floor. So that's good. So it still works. No noise. So we're going to go back to 50 because that's what this motor is. It's a 50. So we'll leave it at 50 instead of 24. Now if I even go to 20, so they have an AC-20. So we'll cycle this to AC-20. Still don't get that whine. So this controller was configured as a Solectra AC24. So if we go back to 24, which I'm assuming is the nomenclature for the motor, AC24. Recycle everything, turn it back on. And now I get the whine. So I'm hoping at the configuration of AC24, when I put the Solectra motor into it, it will not whine. And I'll do some changing of that to see what that changes with the Solectra motor. If the Solectra motor is whining, then I need to just change it to like 50 or something like that. And because it's a similar motor, very similar. So anyway, that's the short skinny. So we're gonna go back to 50, which is really nice because now I can test it. And I've got the RPMs down a bit, so it's not such high RPMs. But yeah, and it still wants to toss this thing around with the torque that it has. So anyway, there you have it. Just another quick update